My best penny stocks to buy in 2023. Virgin Orbit, ticker symbol VORB, seen strong trading actions over the last few days. The stock climbed after Richard Branson's company reported plans of returning a small group of employees. According to Reuters, the company plans on bringing the employees back to work on rocket upgrades. Optimism has continued in the market this week as the stock rebounds. Thanks to a report stating that the company is in talks with interested investors to fund the company gave sentiment a boost. Virgin Orbit was said to be close to a deal for $200 million investment from a Texas-based venture capital investor Matthew Brown. The company and Mr. Brown were looking to close the deal last Friday, according to Reuters. However, Matthew Brown companies did not comment on the deal, neither did Virgin Orbit. Ticker symbol GSM produces silicone metal, silicone-based, and manganese-based specialty alloys. The latest speculation and momentum comes as a result of the company's latest earnings. GSM reported a jump in Q4 EPS beating estimates by 100%. Also, the company's 2023 adjusted EBITDA of $290 million, which has prompted more optimism recently. GSM CEO Dr. Marco Levi explained, "The prospects for Ferroglobe have never been stronger. We have optimized the cost structure of the company to enable us to outperform throughout the cycle. In addition, we are well positioned to capitalize on several trends taking place in the market that will drive growth in the coming years. We expect the battery market for electric vehicles and the solar market presents an extraordinary opportunity driven by the need for high-purity silicone. The use of silicone in batteries is still in its early stages of development, and we expect to see significant growth as this technology is perfected." Dr. Marco Levi also discussed current partnerships with battery developers and the recent start of production. The CEO also talked about solar. He stated it represents an enormous market that we expect to continue to capitalize on. GSM has been trending higher thanks to 2022 revenue of $2.6 billion and record 2022 adjusted EBITDA of $860 million. Ticker symbol VIRI had some unusual volume in the last few weeks, seeing the highest trading volume since late last year and it came without any news catalyst. But looking back at previous updates, you may be able to find the reason for speculation based on the timing of the month. The company stated in its March business update that the company has an end Phase 2 meeting scheduled with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in March to discuss the progression of IMC-1 to Phase 3 development. Also, top-line results expected in mid-2023 for its exploratory long COVID. And since there haven't been any further updates to this FDA-related meeting, some may have begun to speculate. Recently, public company ticker symbol CXAI has attempted to recover some of its losses. CXAI jumped to its highest daily trading volumes to date last week. The company provides work experience solutions with Public VIA, a special purpose acquisition company. CXAI offers employees augmented reality technologies, indoor mapping, and AI-based analytics for the hybrid workplace market. The chairman, founder, and chief executive officer of the merger partner KINS stated, "CXApp is a category maker company that has developed the most engaging application for the hybrid workplace market in reality. This is the workplace super app with over 150 native features and 100 plus API integrations. We believe that with this unique value proposition and technology leadership, CXApp is well positioned for substantial growth." CXAI caught the attention of retail traders in the stock market with their newly public status. Ticker symbol SOUN is another company with exposure to artificial intelligence. These AI stocks have been on investors' watch lists for months. Thanks to excitement from breakthrough tech like ChatGPT, any company working on or involved with this industry has gained attention in the market. SoundHound exploded to over $4.90 last month and has since dropped to about $2. SOUN announced that it launched SoundHound Chat AI, which is a voice platform designed to give brands and customers access to multimodal voice assistants. The company's CEO and co-founder stated, "SoundHound Chat AI ushers in a new phase of voice-enabled conversational AI that used to only exist in science fiction. By combining the power of software engineering and machine learning with generative AI, we can finally deliver the digital assistant experience users have been desiring for decades." Ticker symbol GBIO has gained attention in the stock market with both price and volume increasing at above average rates. And Generation Bio's latest update caught the attention of investors. GBIO and mRNA entered a strategic collaboration to combine mRNA's biological and technical expertise with the tech of Generation Bio's non-viral genetic medicine platform. The goal is to expand the application of each platform to develop nucleic acid therapeutics capable of reaching immune cells. Chief Strategy Officer of GBIO explained, "This collaboration represents a foundational investment in our platform science, both deepening our pipeline of rare and prevalent liver disease programs beyond hemophilia A, and accelerating our work to reach outside the liver with nucleic acid therapies." Ticker symbol OLPX shares have been down since February. The recent earning results, combined with analyst price target cuts, contributed to the negative sentiment in the market this year. In February's business update, the company's CEO stated, "As expected, the fourth quarter represented a challenging end to fiscal 2022. Reflecting the rapidly changing market dynamic that began mid-year. Our priorities in 2023 are to reset our base and invest in our core to provide a more powerful platform for growth. We are focused on increasing investments in sales, marketing, and education while continuing to bring to the market effectuous products that professionals and consumers love and trust." OLPX share price has climbed without any immediate news catalyst recently, but there has been an increase in trading volume. Also, some unusual options activity in the stock's $4 strike calls expiring April 21st. FaZe Holdings, ticker symbol FAZ, stock share price has rebounded over the last couple of weeks. After hitting new 52-week lows of around 36 cents, the stock managed to run back up by 100%. Several new milestones was announced by FaZe Holdings in March, including the promotion of a new VP of brand and creative strategy and securing a win at the Intel Grand Slam and Counter-Strike. In an update last week, the company explained, prior to yesterday's tournament, only 3 teams had ever completed the major milestone in CSGO history, making it one of the most coveted prizes in competitive esports. With their win, FaZe Clan CSGO team was awarded a $1 million prize for the Intel Grand Slam, plus $200,000 in tournament cash prizes. The company's latest earnings update reported lower earnings per share and a loss of $130.6 million for the third quarter, but increased sales by 12% thanks to growth in brand sponsorships, content, and esports. Ticker symbol ALT, the market sell-off made its impression on plenty of stocks above $5, putting them in a penny stock range. ALT is a former penny stock that had a massive run up to $23 in 2022. But just as positive news can act as a catalyst, it can also bring bearish sentiment and cause heavy selling. The company announced results from phase studies of its pipeline treatments in obesity and diabetes in March. Even though results were initially shown as positive, adverse events from its weight loss trial were cause for concern. Vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, and constipation were among the adverse events in the patients who took part in the weight loss treatment experienced during the 24-week trial. But that's in the past, and now ALT is continuing the rebound it began last month. Also, some analysts, including JMP Securities, reiterated its market outperform rating and maintained a $26 price target. Crypto bank Silver Capital, ticker symbol SI, has suffered a few blows from multiple areas of the market, the run on regional and smaller banks being the most recent. SI share price has dropped from highs of $239 in 2021 to as low as $1.10 in March. But a turnaround in crypto and bank stock prices has created more of a positive sentiment. News released that Silicon Valley Bank has come to a buyout agreement with First Citizens Bank shares, bringing more optimism to the stock market. Even though this might be the start to the short-term bullish sentiment investors sought, there still is plenty of risk involved, one of which is the bank stating that SI could be delisted from the New York Stock Exchange, also stating it has an orderly wind down of bank operations and voluntary liquidation of the bank was the best path. Please like, comment, and subscribe.